Hey, everyone. Welcome to Market Clicks. Today, we will be discussing the roadmap to become full-stack professional or developer. Let's understand this with the help of an example. Imagine having the ability to build an entire web application, from the user-friendly interface that people interact with to the powerful server-side logic that processes and stores their data. For instance, think about creating a popular app like Instagram. As a full-stack developer, you would design the front content, including the layout, image, and interactive elements, while also developing the backend that manages user accounts, stores photos, and handles data securely. Full-stack development is all about versatility and mastering a range of skills across both the front end and the back end. This comprehensive knowledge allows you to ensure that every part of your application works seamlessly together, providing a smooth and engaging user experience. It's a journey of continuous learning and practice, but the reward is a highly sought-after skill mindset that opens up numerous opportunities in the tech industry. Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Market Clicks has your back. With that in mind, guys, if you want to advance your career as a MunchTech developer, you can check out Market Clicks' Full-Stack Developer MunchTech Masters program, offered in collaboration with IBM. This comprehensive course will equip you with the top skills such as Mongo, ExpressJS, React, and Node.js, along with Git, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build and deploy interactive applications and services. You can check out the link in the description box and pinned comment. So let's get started with introduction to full-stack development. So guys, full-stack development involves working on both the front end and the back-end web applications. As a full-stack developer, it will handle everything from user interfaces to server management, making you a versatile asset in the tech industry. And if we talk about front-end development, so it focuses on the part of the application that users interact with directly. This includes the layout, design, and interactive elements of a website or app. You will use languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create a seamless and engaging user experience. On the other hand, back-end development deals with the server side of the application, and this includes managing databases, server logic, and application architecture, and you will work with server-side languages such as Node, JS, Python, or Ruby, and handle data storage with databases like MySQL or MongoDB. And as a full-stack developer, you combine both these skills insights, allowing you to build complete applications from start to finish. And this versatility makes you a valuable asset because you can understand and manage both the client side and server side of applications, ensuring they work together smoothly. Now we'll start with the roadmap, and the first thing to learn to become a full-stack developer is learn the basics of web development. To start your journey as a full-stack developer, you need to learn the basics of web development, and this includes understanding the core technologies that form the foundation of web applications. The topics to cover are, number 1 is HTML, that is Hypertext Markup Language. This is the standard markup language used to create web pages. It structures the content on the web page, that is, you can learn HTML with the understanding the basic tags and how they structure a web page. For the ATM project, you can create a simple web page with headings, paragraphs, links, and images. Now going to the next technology, that is CSS, that is Cascading Style Sheets. This language is used to describe the presentation of a document written in HTML. It controls the layout, colors, fonts, and overall style of the web page. To learning that, you can explore how to style your HTML using CSS, learn about selectors, properties, and values. You can style your HTML page by adding colors, fonts, and layout adjustments. Then comes the JavaScript. It's a programming language that allows you to create dynamically updating content. You can control multiple India, animate images, and much more. You can understand the basics of JavaScript, such as variables, functions, loops, and events. You can add interactivity to your HTML pages, such as form validation for a simple image gallery. With a solid foundation in these basics of web development, that is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you can now move on to mastering front-end frameworks and libraries that will enable you to build more dynamic and responsive applications. Now you have got the basics of web development. It's time to dive deeper into front-end frameworks, and these tools help to build more complex, interactive, and efficient web applications. You can cover the number 1, that is React. It's a JavaScript library for building user interfaces, particularly single-page applications where you need a fast and interactive user experience. Then comes Angular. That is a platform and framework for building single-page client applications using HTML and TypeScript. Then we have Vue.js. That's a progressive JavaScript framework used for building user interfaces and single-page applications. If we talk about how you can learn them, so you can learn React, you can start by understanding the core concepts of React, such as components, GX, state, and prompts. You can build a simple application like a to-do list or a weather app to get hands-on experience. And if we talk about Angular, you can explore Angular's core features such as modules, components, services, and dependency injection. And you can create a simple project like a task manager or a data dashboard to practice these concepts. Now talking about Vue.js, you can get familiar with Vue.js reactivity system, directives, and components. And you can develop a small application like a note-taking app to apply what you have learned. And you could have another example in use cases. That is for React, you can build a dynamic user interface that updates in real time. And similarly, you can go with Angular and Vue.js. Now with a strong grasp of front-end frameworks and libraries, you have now equipped to create engaging and dynamic user interfaces. Next, we will explore the back-end development to understand how to manage server-side operations and databases. So understanding back-end development. So after mastering the front end, it's essential to understand back-end development, and this involves handling server-side operations, databases, and application logic, which are crucial to building fully functional web applications. And we can cover, number 1 is server-side languages. So you can learn languages such as Node, JS, Python, or Ruby. So these languages allow you to write the logic that runs on the server. And after that, we can learn the frameworks, and you can explore frameworks that simplify back-end development, like ExpressJS or Node.js, Django for Python, and Ruby on Rails for Ruby. And then comes the databases. So you can understand both SQL, that is MySQL or PostgreSQL, and NoSQL, that is Mongo databases, which are used to store and manage data. Now we talk about learning server-side languages. Here comes the Node.js. That's a JavaScript runtime built in Chrome. You can enable JavaScript to be used for server-side scripting. You can start by building simple server-side script. For example, create a server that responds with hello world when accessed. And if we talk about Python, you could have a versatile language known for its readability and efficiency. You can explore basic scripting and automation tasks. And talking about SQL databases, you can learn to interact with the relational databases using SQL and create and manage tables and write queries to fetch data. So with a solid understanding of back-end development, you are now equipped to handle server-side logic, manage databases, and build complete web applications. Next, we will look into the how to manage databases more efficiently and integrate them with your applications. Now we learn database management. To become a proficient full-stack developer, understanding database management is essential, and databases are critical for storing and retrieving the data that your application used. You can start with SQL databases like MySQL and PostgreSQL, which use structured query language to manage data in a structured format like table, rows, and columns, and learn how to create and manage databases and write queries to insert, convert, update, delete, and retrieve data. Designing relational databases for various applications is crucial for managing structured data efficiently. For instance, you can design a database for an online bookstore with tables for books, authors, and authors. This will help you understand how to structure data and perform operations like joins and aggregations to retrieve complex datasets.